So once you log into Jotform, this is what you see in the dashboard. Over here on the left hand side, you can see the shared with me, assigned to me section right here where you can track out your tasks right here. You can go ahead and see what you have sent and the drafts that you have made as well. Apart from that, you see favorites, archive, and tracks right here, and the labels over here on the left hand side. Over here on the top, you got the create option, which allows you to go ahead and create out various things like tables, reports, forms, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here on the top, you can see my workspace where you have access to your workspace. But if I were to go ahead onto my forms, let's say for example, then you'll see all of the forms that you have right here, just like this. Similarly, you can go ahead and access out your tables. So whatever tables you have access to them over here. And then if you have any apps or reports, you can go to the respective section right here to go ahead and access those out. Over here on the top, you see the section where you can access out your template, your integration option, as you can see right here. You can also access other products from over here. As you can see, the support is located right here. And if you want enterprise plans, you can go ahead and then check this. And if you want to upgrade it, you got the pricing plans right here. And of course, over here on the top right hand side, you will be able to see your username. And you can see that I have used 3 out of 5 forms. So a free user right here will be able to use 5 forms in total. So if you need more than that, you need to upgrade. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now I have 3 forms, and similarly, you can see that there's the number of submissions, total submissions, and everything else is there. So you can go ahead and then use them up. And this is how you can see your limit. You can also access your admin console right here from over here for more options. But this is more for the enterprise option. So you can see that there's settings that you can go ahead and access out over here as well to change up the settings as you like. And you also have the logout option to log out of the account from Jotforms. So that is how you can go ahead and navigate out your dashboard. And these are the major features that we're going to go ahead and look as we progress along the course. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.